نہیں قصوری صاحب دیکھیے, we are very grateful for you. You are a witness to history, but the matter before us was a presidential reference. And as far as senior counsel making uncalled for side remarks of other cases before us, I don't think that was appropriate. You may want to reflect upon it. If you don't want to reflect upon it, don't do. Okay? Making of speeches, that's the forum, or the media's forum. Here we are concerned with a presidential reference. Whether we like it or not, we can't disregard it. We will have hearing it because it was lay buried and it's been brought up. It was brought up earlier. You participated in the hearings, and we are doing sometimes duties we do. We are not even happy with doing them. Sometimes they're painful duties. There is a political aspect to matters. The point is, one point which we should all realize is how long will we tear the nation apart from within. We don't need enemies. We have enough enemies of our own to destroy this country. We can't sit on a table and talk about matters. We can't talk reasonably. You are a senior counsel, you're making side remarks. Fine, you don't like a particular judgment, do whatever you want to do with it. You know the legal course. I found it very unbecoming of a senior counsel to do that. I respect you always. I continue to respect you. This is not just your case, it's a matter of our history as well. There must come a point in time when we must say enough is enough, let truth prevail. We all have committed mistakes. I mean, everybody says the other one is black and I'm white, without ever raising a finger on themselves. I, for one, agree with some of your political remarks. Idhar hum, udhar tum. I don't think they may have been appropriate at all. But we're not dealing with that aspect. That's a matter for politicians and historians. We're dealing with advisory jurisdiction, which you, people like you, who framed the Constitution, granted us. We did not want this advisory jurisdiction. You gave us. Now it has come, it says shall do it. So we have to do it, whether we like it or not. So let's always respect each other, and not just come and say, capture a headline tomorrow and make some statement. Aajkal the fashion is the courts cannot respond to anything. Any person, Tom, Dick or Harry, will go outside and make a statement. Even there are elements. There's no proof, no substance, they make allegations. There is something, please produce it. Otherwise don't. It's just a question of hits, numbers game, how much hits you earn. Let's forget this. Let's make this a proper, decent country to live in. We are doing a duty, you're doing yours, we are very grateful to you. We never say anything to you about your conduct, we are just conducting a case. So please don't